Hey there guys, how are you all doing? This is your V-Bro again, once again in Tech Week. And so today I have another build of Phoenix to review, guys. So this version of Phoenix is known as the VIP console, the Phoenix OS VIP console. I know this version is not that much famous, but the developer himself approached to me and just told me to just test it out by myself, and that's what I did. And right now I am kind of impressed, and right now I am in the About tablet screen of the settings, and there you can see that the Phoenix OS version says that Phoenix Pro. It is based on the Android version 7.1.2. It's the same, even the same Android security patch. Kernel version is 4.19.7. And also the OpenGL version, as you can see, it's Mesa DRI Intel Arc Kaby Lake. That depends upon, it will change depending upon the kind of hardware that you have. And for me, I have a 8th Gen Core i5 processor along with 8GB of RAM and UHD 620 graphics chipset. So this is the kind of OpenGL driver that is compatible with my device. So that's pretty much it in the About tablet. And right now let's go to the Discord page. Like, this version doesn't have any forum or something like that. They just have a Discord server, dedicated Discord server, which is known as the VIP console, as you can see right there. Don't worry, the link of this VIP console server will be there in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out by yourself. So these are the changelog that we have right now. So this is the Phoenix OS VIP console special x86 mod. So the best thing about this is that this is available in two versions, the 64-bit as well as the 32-bit. As we know, 32-bit is for the devices with low amount of RAM, like 2GB or 4GB, and x64, that is the 64-bit, is available for people who has more RAM and a powerful processor and stuff like that. So if you have a low-end PC, it's written this system is heaven for very low-end PC, because it doesn't require SSE 4.2. That is, like, if you have a low-grade processor or stuff like that, it will just work really great. And if you have a kind of mediocre or like a powerful processor, then you should go for the 64-bit that I have installed over into my system. And don't worry, the link and everything will be there in the server itself. You can go ahead. There is a dedicated page, download links only, so you can go ahead, and there all the download links will be there. Even the latest kernel is there, like GApps and stuff like that. I'll be talking about the stability a bit later. Let's go ahead to announcement. And this guy has been working out on a new version of Phoenix. Maybe it says that Android OS with version 8.1 is will be released, is deciding to make it. So please guys, go ahead and support this awesome developer up. If he is successful in making that, obviously there is new possibilities in the realm of gaming in Android over into your system. So please go ahead and support this awesome developer. So talking about the other changelog, so let's take a look at it. The name has been changed. Okay, VIP service is not included because it is based on the old structure of the system. So that's awesome. You don't need to be worried about any of those ads that used to appear over into the screen. There is no compiling resources, and updated GApps to the latest version. And yes, there is no stupid GApps crashing issues that was found in previous versions of Phoenixes, but this doesn't have that. So it's really awesome. It's quite stable. And the kernel version 4.19 is already adopted to the system. Okay, and he says that he will be releasing a kernel for old systems as well. So it comes with the Mesa 17.1 stock R3. Unlock Ultra HD sounds in PUBG Mobile, smooth 60 FPS. I'll be showing you just right now, just in a moment. Some busy box has been, and toy box are updated to the Magisk, and there is no crashing on Magisk either. Magisk works out of the box. It's awesome. And remember, after installing this build up, the developer told me to install his version of NFS injector, and he told me to use it and not use the LSpeed. And so I didn't install LSpeed and just installed the NFS injector, and guess what? My performance has boosted up. Like, my startup time has improved. Like, game starts up instantly, even though I have an SSD, but like game loading times and everything is just awesome. Like, the performance is becoming top notch over into my system. Like fixed all sorts of Magisk module issues. Okay, updated game helper. And yes, this game helper has been changed. There's a new icon, and you can see here the game helper, the icon has been changed, and it's quite, I don't know. I just tried it out this evening, and the functionality is kind of the same, but just the icon and maybe the version is newer than what we used to get before. Taking a look at other mic issues has been fixed. If you had any issues, like the mic issues has been fixed. Even though if you have some mic issues in this version, you know, link in the description, you can go ahead. One of my videos, I taught you how you can fix your mic and Wi-Fi, and it just works great. And after that, there is no bloatware. And yes, this is a really stripped down version. There is no bloatware whatsoever that you can find over in any places. So that's awesome as well. And also updated security patch. Okay, emulator detection is activated. Awesome. And also additional features and stuff like that. So it says use my NFS v2 module for increasing maximum performance out of the box. And that's true. I just tried it and it just works way better. So don't worry, the link of this Discord server will be there in the description. So go ahead, download this thing up, try it out. And many of the users of this Discord server has said that this is much better than the ROC version, but there is no such comparison between this and the dark matter mode. So I am not able to decide which is better. For me, in both of the systems, the performance of games and stuffs are awesome. In dark matter, there is a bit pain in installation, and also there are some issues like the G app used to crash and stuff like that, but not in this version. Like everything is just working out of the box. And talking about the performance is quite similar, I should say. There is no better or no worse. Like both of them are running great. And if you're on dark matter and you're happy with using dark matter, I would suggest you to stay with that, because trust me guys, there is not much difference in performance. Like for example, the main performance difference that I just got, that you get out of the box extreme preset. You know, smooth extreme comes out of the box, and that's awesome. And the game helper icon has changed. You can see it was blue before, and now it's white and yellow. So yeah, better. And as you know, I'm using the screen recorder app, so it is lagging, I guess, a bit. So that's not the case in whenever playing without the screen recording app. It just runs pretty awesome. And also other thing that I want to point out is that kind of the features that are available in this version is not that much top-notch, but it's quite useful. You know, these are like small little things that are really useful. Talking about COD, I did try, it still crashes on my system. I don't know what's the problem, what's the catch of my device. So as you can see, it's fairly running good. So, you know, there's a bit of frame drops here and there. That's because of my screen recording app. So if you talk about me, should I shift from dark matter to this one? I think I'll be staying with this version a few days and just testing out more. And if I see some problems, I would surely love to let you guys know. And talking about the other bugs like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microphone, and USB tethering and stuff like that, everything is just working great out of the box. I haven't faced any problems yet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Vibro signing out from Tech Week. This is the review of Phoenix VIP console. If you got any queries, you can just reach me down in the comment box below, or DM me over in my Instagram, or you can also contact me over in Discord as well. My Discord ID will be there in the description, so you can send me a friend request. We can chat out there, hey guys, or stuff like that. And so that's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you. And yeah, help others and be awesome. Thank you.